Alright, mga kabahay. Ito gagawin natin ngayon, ha. Pinadapang manok. Yan, pinadapa. Nakadapa na. Pinadapang manok ala fried chicken. Ayan, mamaya, ha. Yan ang ulam ng aking chikiting ngayong araw na ito. O, yan ang preparation. First, tuwig, saka chicken. Lalagyan natin ng kaunting salt. Yeah, salt. Oops, lagyan natin ng salt. Ayan, haluin natin ng salt. And there goes the salt. And a little bit of seasoning. Here we go. Seasoning. The magic. Real magic one. Magic one. Put seasoning. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Another one. Here we go. That's it. And later on, we will put it into the pan where we really need it to put there. Here we go. Yeah. Lagyan natin ito dito. Now, here we go. There you go. And made a full fire. There goes the fire. There goes the fire. Because my chikiting will go home. Came from school. Sabi niya kanina, chicken a la fried yun. So let's wait for it, huh? Let's wait for it. We will see what will happen to the chicken. Alright. Let's take a look. Now it's boiling. Yes, it's boiling. Ooh. And let's wait for a little minute. So we will invert the chicken. The pinadapang fried chicken. Let's see later. Yeah, malapit na maubos yung water. So let's invert this one. Invert. Ibig sabihin, baliktarin mo na. Ayan, ganyan. Baliktad. Ayan, ha. Wow. Kailangan maalis yung dugo-dugo. Ayan, you see that? Dugo-dugo. Ayan, yun. This is how it cooks. And this is how it's done. Yeah. There you go. Juicy. Oops. Medyo malakas yung fire. Let's slow the fire. To the fire. Slow the fire. To the fire. To the limit. To the wall. Alright. A little back later. Alright, back in the cooking, we will put oil. Yeah, oil. Deep it fry. Yeah, that's it. Oil. Make it fry. Yeah. Alright. And let's make the fire again. Higher. The fire. To the fire. To the limit, to the wall. Yeah, see. Alright. See now. It's cool. Wow. Getting brown. Let's twist. Twist in the shell. Twist in the shell. Come on, baby. Twist, baby. Twist now. Oh, delicate. Oh my gulay. You see. Oh yeah. You see. Oh. What is cooking now on TV? Aray ko. Choose natin, babalik pa rin natin, babalik pa rin. Diretso na natin yung sinasabing pinadapang manok ala prito. Padadapay natin. Eto na. Eto na. Eto na. Dapa. Dapa. Pinadapang manok ala prito. Wow. Yan. Balik pa rin natin. Again. Here we go. Yow! Pinahiga naman. Pinahiga na. Chicken. Chicken. Wow. Yum. Padating na si Kulit. Yan ang request na ulam ni Kulit. Alright. It's now the chicken build ng pinadapang fried manok. Pinadapa. Pinatihaya. Yeah, it's all done. Alright. Let's turn it off. Oh, yummy. Let's wait. Yeah. Delicioso. We'll transfer this one here. Oops. May mali. Wait. Butas ang kalang. Oh, yan, sangkalang. Dito, doon. Diyan. Here we go. Yan. Oh. Yeah. And here it goes. Oh. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. And there we go. We will slice it here. Slice now. Ooh. Yummy. See? Crunchy. Crunchy chicken. Tuwan si Kulit. Dito na. There. Other one. Yun. Ew. Masarap. Bakit na ito? Yan na. Cakak. Yan. Andiyan na si Kulit. Andiyan na. Andiyan na si Kulit. Andiyan na si Kulit.
Wala kasi akong dalang
Andiyan na si Kulit. Yay! Andiyan na si Kulit. Yay! And look! And the chicken! Ang masarap na chicken! Yeah! Oh! Ang pingi, sige, try mo. Oh, nag-try na si Kulit. Galing yun sa school. Ano? And the taste, bata? Alright. Hintayin ng balat. Taste mo. Crunchy? Yeah. Dansan na. Den.
Daddy, nakuha yung magnet ni Sir Cho, hiningi na. Ay, ni Sir Cho, ni Sir Roland.
Oh? Good.
Tapos, na-impress si ma'am, yung dalawang ma'am, tapos yung isang sir na nag-judge.
Alright.
Tapos sabi nila gagawin daw nila yung pag wala daw kuryente.
Okay, galing. O, balik tayo sa chicken. Yung chicken. O, slice na natin yung chicken.
Like the
Oh,
chicken.
where's the mommy?
Part of what?
Mm.
Paper and pencil na lang dadalhin.
Vlogging si Daddy. Vlogging.
Wow, the chicken. There it goes. And the chicken. Yeah, na. Delicious. O, yan. O, koops. Pakabit. Crunchy? Yes. I love you.
Tikman nyo guys.
Mm.
Yan.
I love you.
Sabi.
Mwah.